Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the Zinus Memory Foam Green Tea Mattress, more specifically the 12-inch version. I hadn't seen all too many reviews on the 12-inch version, so I thought I'd kind of give you guys my 2 cents just based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. Should mention actually real quick too that I found a pretty good deal on this mattress, and I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check that deal out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So most people have heard about this mattress. It's like by far the #1 best-selling mattress of all time. On Amazon, it's got over 27 some thousand positive reviews with like an average 4 out of 5 stars. Not a ton needs to be said about it, but the 12-inch version, which is kind of their newest one, in my opinion, is the best one, and I really like this thing a lot. For one, it makes a big difference getting that few extra inches of memory foam. If you like the feel of memory foam, or if you've ever felt memory foam or laid on a memory foam mattress, if you like that real memory foamy feel, that's the one to get, the 12-inch, in my opinion. It definitely has the most memory foam feel to it. It really holds you in place, contours to your body, and kind of relieves all the pressure points the best out of any of them. As the green tea mattresses are, they use that injected green tea basically into the foam to get rid of any antioxidants, odors, anything like that. It has a nice, I don't know, fresh scent to it. It doesn't smell, like, don't get me wrong. That's the whole thing. It has like this neutral odor elimination-ish feel to it. I don't know, it's really kind of hard to explain, but one thing that's really nice about the Zinus, and they've kind of lived the test of time. If you read the reviews on them, the mattresses have lasted for years without warping or like having soft spots or breaking down or anything like that, which is really nice. And for the money, that's kind of the big draw. These mattresses are super cheap compared to a lot of memory foam mattresses out there. But it doesn't mean they're bad quality. That's kind of the whole draw to it. You can actually get a really good quality memory foam mattress for a really good price. Beds, mattresses are very subjective in comfort and stuff. Some people will love one and hate the other, and vice versa. So it kind of has to be something that you have to try for yourself. Although I will say, most people tend to really like this mattress, including myself. But that's kind of the nice thing. If you order it and you don't like it, you can always send it back. No problems, no questions, which is very handy for a subjective item like this. But yeah, all in all, really recommend this. Definitely recommend the 12-inch if you like a plush memory foam feel. Yeah, 2 thumbs up for me. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.